Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear your Windows Update history on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this will hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing you're going to want to do is open up the search menu, type in Services. Best match should come back with Services. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go down to the Windows Update service and double click on it. So if service status is running, select the stop button and then select OK. And now close out of here. Open up File Explorer. If you want to search for it, you can do that as well. And then select this PC on the left side. Double click on your local disk where Windows is installed. There should be a little Windows icon above the hard drive indicating as such. Double click on it. And now you want to go underneath the Windows folder, so double click on that. And then go down to the Software Distribution folder and then double click on it. Should be a data store folder in here. Double click on that one as well. Now you want to select the Logs folder and then tap Delete on your keyboard or right click and then do the trash can icon. And you want to do the same for the data store.edb folder, so go ahead and delete that one as well. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and close out of here. And you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to clear all the update history from your system, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.